Solve 2x by y cube dx plus y square minus 3x square by y power 4 dy is equals to 0. So comparing the given equation with m dx plus n dy is equals to 0, we have m is equals to 2x by y cube, and in the place of n we have y square minus 3x square by y power 4. So writing this separately, denominator separately for each term. So if you write y square by y power 4, that is we will get 1 by y square and minus 3x square by y power 4. And here we are doing dou m by dou y. So why we are doing here means we will check whether the given equation is exact differential equation. So if it is yes, we have some particular method to solve the exact differential equations, so we will follow that method. So if you do here dou m by dou y means a differentiation of this m with respect to partial differentiation of this m with respect to y. So with respect to y means x is treated as constant, so it's a partial differentiation. So 2x into dou by dou y of 1 by y cube, that is 2x into dou by dou y of y to the power of minus 3, it is 2x. We know differentiation of x to the power of n is equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So in the same way, dou by dou y of y to the power of minus 3 means minus 3 into y to the power of minus 3 minus 1 by minus 1, sorry. So here you can write 2x into minus 3 y to the power of minus 4, that is if you do it is minus 6x by y to the power of plus 4. So in the, if it is y to the power of minus 4 means if you write in the denominator it is y to the power of 4 plus 4. So in the same way dou n by dou x, dou by dou x of this n, so that is 1 by y to the y square minus 3x square by y to the power of 4. Dou by dou x of, here we are taking 1 by y to the power of 4 common from these two terms. So if you take common the first term, we will get y square. So means if you see 1 by y to the power of 4 into y square means if you see it is once again you will get 1 by y square, and in the next term if you take we are taking 1 by y power 4 common means the remaining term will be minus 3x square, and here with respect to partial differentiation with respect to x means y is constant, so 1 by y power 4 is constant. Dou by dou x of y square minus 3x square, so 1 by y power 4, so this is constant means 0, and 3 into x square differentiation is 2x, so 3 into 2 6x. So when you simplify further it is minus 6x by y to the power of 4. So dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x we are getting same, so both are equal. So you can say that the given equation is the exact differential equation for which the general solution is integration of m dx treating y as constant plus integration of terms of n not containing x dy is equals to c. So if you do that, integration of m means here 2x by y cube, so x by y cube into dx plus integration of terms of n not containing x means this is n, and here not containing x means only the first term, that is 1 by y square. So you can write here integration of 1 by y square dy is equals to c, and here we are should treat y as constant for the first term. So when 2 is anyway constant, so y is also constant means 2 by y cube writing outside, and integration of x dx plus integration of 1 by y square means integration of y to the power of minus 2. So if you take this y square, the numerator means it is y to the power of minus 2 dy is equals to c, and we know integration of x is x square by 2 plus y power minus 2 means y power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is equals to c, and here if you see 2 cancels, and x square by y cube minus minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1, and plus into minus minus, and here we will get y to the power of minus 1, and if you write it is 1 by y to the power of minus 1 or 1 by y, we know both are same, and is equals to c. So when you further simplify here, when you take y cube as LCM, you get x square minus y square, y into y square is y cube, so we will get y square here. So when you send this y cube to the right side, so it is x square minus y square is equals to c into y cube. So this is the required general solution for the given differential equation. For more videos, please subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.